this could include their own website on their council site, for example, the government portals site, for example, or it could be on an industry specific platform, publication, or a tender platform, like I said. So that's one of the things that you need to be aware of from the buyer's point of view when they are looking for you as the supplier. They'll already have an idea of who they know who it is that they're looking for, but they need someone to match what it is that they have to offer, for example. So what I want you to think about is, for example, we need to be mindful as well from the supplier engagement point of view. And I'm just going to message my team members here. Just give me 1 second. Just bear with me 1 second, please. Okay. Right, so sorry about that. So supplier engagement. Now, interested suppliers may seek clarification or additional information. So you are now the supplier that's looked and you found this tender and you've expressed an interest and you really want to apply for this contract because you know that you're suitable for it. So you've read through it, but there's some questions that you may have already and you think to yourself, what does that mean? I don't quite understand that particular term. So it's okay for you to ask clarification questions. It is okay to do that. It's not going to cause them to think, oh, you're going to be stricken off from applying for that contract. They want you to ask questions because sometimes the way people write things may not be the same way as it's interpreted.